ladies and gentlemen, warm welcome to Faro. That was yesterday, my bad. Where the local time is actually the same time as in Wales, believe it or not. Completely true. Please do remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. And before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you have all your personal items, hand luggage and children with you. Checking in the seat pocket, the overhead lockers, also the air around the seat. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers as items and children may have moved in flight. Please do continue to observe the no smoking sign also. May I remind you, in accordance with European law, smoking is not permitted within any public buildings, and do take care when disembarking by the aircraft steps. They may be steeper and narrower than you're used to. The handrail should be used, hand baggage held securely, and any passengers with small children should hold their hand also. Mobile phones and portable electronic devices may be used in transmit mode once the aircraft doors have been opened. Every time we fly with Flybe, I shall put my teeth back in. You can collect Avios. Collecting Avios means you can turn your flights and everyday spending into more flights and exciting travel rewards. You can take off for less by making a part payment with your Avios. Find out more and join today at flybe.com/Avios. Most sincerely on behalf of the captain, the first officer, and all of the crew, it has been a pleasure having you on board today. Hope it's been a pleasure also. You've been fantastic. We hope you have a fantastic holiday also. For those returning home, warm welcome home. For those visiting, as I've said, do have a fantastic stay. We look forward to welcoming you all aboard a Flybe flight sometime soon. Thank you and safe on the journey.